In this video, we will show you how to replace your radiator air deflector retainer clip. On this Chevy Tahoe, you'll have 7 of these located along the top of your radiator. Let's get into it. Alright friends, let's get started on our job. The process for one will be the same for all. You can easily remove these using a trim tool or small pocket screwdriver. Carefully get underneath the center, lift it up to unlock it, and then pry out the outer portion. There it is, friends. Alright, let's get ready to install that retainer clip. We'll have this in the unlocked position. Press down the outer portion. Lock it in with the center. Do the same to all. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.